All I'm really asking for is this marketing paperback book.
That was Seamus. He left us a voicemail asking if we had anything that could help him grow his window cleaning business. What he was looking for is this: the Window Cleaner's Marketing Blueprint. It's a step-by-step guide to marketing a window cleaning business. All 21 chapters cover everything from the best practices for market research and web marketing to building smart connections with other service pros in your area. It's packed with a wide variety of marketing methods and techniques. So whether you're new or been at this for years, this thing's got something for you. So yeah, we're boxing up a print copy for Seamus, but it's also available for free online. Check out the link below. When someone needs help, we take action. And of course, we threw in some extra WCR goodies and got it out the door. Because we're not just here to sell supplies. We're here to help you grow your business. Check out all our free resources at windowcleaner.com.